Hello friends, I Vidit Agarwal welcome you all to our YouTube channel Vidhiwise. I will discuss in today's video law relating to compulsory registration of marriages. This topic is of immense social importance because women have always been at the receiving end if any issue arises out of marriage. Before I proceed further, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidhiwise and also watch the video till the end so that you get full clarity on the concept and optimum knowledge. In order to appreciate the importance of the topic, we must see with the help of an illustration what challenges women are likely to face if marriage is not registered. Suppose a marriage was performed as per rites and ceremonies. Initially everything was going well and later on certain issues arose between the parties and matter reached to the court, and husband completely denied the marriage between the two. In this situation, the very existence of the marriage is disputed and the women will face legal hurdle depending upon the circumstances in establishing her right to seek maintenance from the husband, right to live in the matrimonial home and also share in the property of the husband. And in certain circumstances, issues relating to paternity may also arise. Had there been a marriage certificate, then it would have been easy for the women to establish all these rights. It is not that marriage cannot be proved otherwise. There may be certain other evidences also with the help of which marriage can easily be established, but a marriage certificate would have helped the women to establish her right in seeking all these rights. And it is not that these are the only benefits which accrue to women by getting their marriage registered. There are several other benefits also. If a marriage is required by law to be compulsorily registered, then definitely it will help in preventing child marriages. It will help those marriages which have been performed without the consent of the parties. It will deter the parents in selling their daughters in the garb of marriage, and it will also help in preventing bigamy and polygamy. Now I will discuss legal position in this regard. We know that matters relating to marriage, divorce and succession are governed by the personal laws of the parties, and these matters fall in the concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution, which means that both center and the state government have power to make laws on these subjects. There are several laws relating to marriage and divorce because we know that India is a country where people belonging to different religions reside and they have their own cultures and traditions. In order to keep the discussion simple, in this video I have included only Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Section 8 of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with registration of marriages. Section 8 does not make the registration of the marriages compulsory. If we refer to the highlighted portion of Section 8, we find that main purpose of Section 8 is to have proper proof of marriages. Though it is a central piece of legislation, but power has been conferred on the states also to make the registration of the marriages compulsory. Punishment for contravening the provisions relating to compulsory registration of marriages may be provided for by the state governments. And a marriage which is properly solemnized does not become void merely because it is not registered. It means a marriage which is valid does not become void merely because it is not registered. As a natural corollary to it, it may also be inferred that a marriage which is void does not become valid merely because it is registered. The Honorable Supreme Court in Seema versus Ashwani Kumar 2006 issued a direction to all the states and the union territories to make the registration of the marriage compulsory within 3 months from the date of this judgment. Though the Supreme Court has held that registration of marriage should be compulsory, but legal position with respect to compulsory registration of marriages is not settled. And it is clear from the following points. Number 1, nothing much appreciable has been done by the state governments in order to make the registration of the marriages compulsory despite the direction of the Supreme Court. Number 2, Article 16 Clause 2 of CEDAW, that is Convention on Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, provides for compulsory registration of marriages. India is a signatory to this convention. At the time of ratification, Indian government put forth a reservation to this provision by contending that India is such a vast and diverse country that it is not feasible to make registration of marriage compulsory. Number 3, National Commission of Women proposed draft legislation on compulsory registration of marriages in 2005, but this legislation could not see the light of the day. From this discussion, it is apparent that why this important provision is dormant. Since there is no penal consequence for not registering the marriage, and also compulsory registration of marriage does not affect the validity of the marriage, and there is no incentive provided by the state government to encourage the people to get their marriage registered, it is very difficult, though not impossible, to encourage and inspire the people to get their marriage registered. It is high time for the Parliament to think about this issue of grave concern, and a small amendment should be brought in the legislation in order to and an amendment should be brought in the legislation to make the lives of the crores of women better. This video is made in an attempt to raise awareness in the society about the issue of compulsory registration of marriages. So I humbly request you to share this video with your friends and family members to make them aware about the significance of this topic and to encourage the people to get their marriage registered. This is all what I wanted to discuss in this video. We will meet again with a new topic on our YouTube channel Vidhiwise. By the time you watch this video, and comment in the comment section if you have any query related to this topic. Thank you very much.